Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford Ranger, the Lariat package. That EcoBoost engine is sounding smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. There are a lot of LEDs on this truck, so if any of them appear to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of my camera that's doing that. Also, you see the fog lights up front, alloy wheels. This one does have the FX4 off-road package and a shell. That shell looks basically brand new. Go ahead and take a tour of the interior. This will have leather seats. The second seat is a bench. See, it does have a 110 volt outlet right there, which is very cool. 2 USBs. Go ahead and give you a shot of this VIN right here. And I will also upload some stills of this as well so that you can go through and grab some of the information from them in a little greater detail. As you come down here on the left hand side, you'll see that it has 21,028 miles on this vehicle. And then you have your trip computer, your cruise control, your push to talk, your stereo, push button start. And you see that it does have heated front seats. Come down here is your Ford Select shift, your shifter, 2 and 4-wheel drive. Trailering controls, automatic start stop. Come over here and then you have your key fob and handbrake. Coming down in here you have additional stowage down there. As you come up here you have your touch screen, and here are your climate controls, your audio controls, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Your phone, apps, and settings. And if you want to see the backup camera, and pop it in reverse. And you see that you do also have forward and rear sensors. Glove compartment. And up here you got your glasses holder and map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ranger on the interior. This Ranger has a branded title. There's an impact here in the front driver's quarter panel. Also in the rear center, the airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.